Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what is the vlog today means this is a very special vlog because I am doing in GoPro, and the specialty today is one of our colleague is getting married, and his marriage is happening in Hindupur, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Why I am doing this video? Because this video I wanted to spread to all of my office colleagues, so that is why I am making this vlog in English only. So what is the plan now? Currently we are in Devanalli and we are eating food. And can you show the hotel name? I'll just show the hotel name. We came to Suresh Gowda Military Hotel and we are having non-veg breakfast here. I'll just show the inside view of hotel as well. This is one of the oldest military hotel in Devanalli, and we are going inside. And he is our Richard and our Sikki Bhai. And Apurva, that is already done. Hi. Hi. Say hello. And Dinesh is already having the food. Oh my god, very sweet. And this is Jackie. And if I show the hotel view. So this is the menu what we have ordered, and this is chicken biryani, and this is chicken curry, and this is chicken fry, and this is mutton curry. Dinesh bhai, please let us know how is the taste. Hey Kitu, tell me, how is the taste? Taste chennagirutta? Spicy Ayyo. So friends, finally we bought this. This costed 200 rupees and seller is आओ. नाम क्या है आपका?
मोहम्मद स्वालीन।
मोहम्मद स्वालीन का क्या है, क्या बोलते हैं? तबला बोलते हैं वो, इसीलिए मैं खरीद किया इधर 220 रुपीज़ को। आपको चाहिए तो देवनली हाईवे में ये रहेगा, उसको भी खरीद करना। So friends, finally we had our breakfast. As you have seen, I have bought one Tambala here, and we are going in Binesh car now to Isha Foundation. We are 43 minutes away and 32 kilometers away to Isha Foundation. Just wait and watch how crazy this video will be. Yeah!
Foundation Road.
So friends, we just came here and we are going to Isha. It is just 3 kilometers away. 5 kilometers, but okay, it's just 5 kilometers away. This is Mafia. We just paid 10 rupees. Chakka Mafia it is. Hello guys, we are about to go. We can see quarry here. Most of the mountains are broken and it got quarried. There is a beautiful way. Oh my god. We have hairpin bends also here. I am about to fall on the dashboard. Villa plots. See, people are real estating here also. You can see the quarries. And that is our Richard's car. Because of course, guys, we are reaching our destination very soon. No, Binesh bhai, that's the entrance actually. From here we need to go.
Take the next left to stay on Isha Foundation Road, then turn right.
Previously, the straight road is there, right? While going, we can go in that road. In that road, if we go, we'll go to Chikbalapur. That junction we'll go. There only I said, right, famous Dilpasan. That we will get there.
Okay, we are eating Dilpasan today.
Yeah, we are eating Dilpasan today. Yeah. So you can see we just approached Sannidhi Sadguru. Hello guys, so I cannot zoom this, but if you can see at that we have Shiva. Sorry, it's Adiyogi, not Shiva. We're on the way, just 2 minutes away. Look at these roads guys. When I came here 6 months back, there is no road only. We have only concrete road. Now they laid very good roads. You can also visit this place. You...
Second time. God.
In 300 meters, turn
You can
right.
see Shiva there with feel good music. Guys, guess where we are? We just reached Adiyogi and we are entering inside the temple. So guys, I just now have taken Harati at Nagendraya, and this was the entrance. Actually, as you guys also know that recording is not allowed there, that's why I haven't recorded the Arati. But we are going towards Adiyogi statue. We're just there. We'll be going. Everybody's intention is same, that the photo should come off and Shiva should be there in between our hands. That's the main motto of coming to Isha here for most of the people. Yeah, even I do the same, but think, please enjoy the beautiful view of Adiyogi. And this was not there 6 months back, and it is placed newly. And even this, wow, scenic, such a scenic. Inside we have this. This is Yogeshwara Linga Darshana, and we are going inside this, like, you know, below to the Isha Foundation. So this is the Isha Adiyogi Center. So I just forgot my water bottle, and just now a darshan done. Because of that renovations, we are not allowed inside. So that is the reason why I'm just taking the video here. We come out, we have many stalls here. Seva, Sadguru Sannidhi and Information Center. And I'm just wondering, where are our friends? Such a cool place, right? So friends, once we are done with Isha, we just came here, Mallige Matu. Mallige Matu is, I think this is one of the restaurant. Our guys are here, Richard, Jaggi and Tirumala. What happened, Sikandar bhai? Why you guys are returning here? We didn't buy anything.
No buttermilk, bro.
No buttermilk. Very bad. Very sad. I think they are serving some food here. We have Isha here as well. So since we didn't get buttermilk there, so we came here, the place called Chandramukhi, and our guys are having ice creams. I'll just show. Tirumala is very busy. And what are you eating, Richard? What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Tell. Yeah, she's eating ice cream. Siki boy got kulfi.
Very hot.
Very tired and very hot.
Binu is enjoying.
Yeah, Binej bhai is football ice cream. So guys, we are checking out from Isha now, and these are our gang. Siki bhai is coming there, Richard, Binesh is here, and Jaggi. Wow, we have an ambassador here. Wow, the super retro ambassador is here. Zing. Wow, so nice. Okay, bye bye Isha. We are signing off from Isha, and we are going to Chikbalapur, and we will have Dilpasan there.
Anisha Foundation Road, National Highway 69.
So guys, we just reached, we're about to reach our place. This is Chikbalapur bus stop. So guys, finally we arrived at Sri Venkateshwara Bakery, famous for Dilpasan. Now it is recording. Binesh bhai, please tell me how is the taste? Please give your genuine review.
I have had this in Bangalore also.
This is not fair. It is 100% different from Bangalore Dil Pasand to Chikmalapur Dil Pasand. Okay,
You will
right?
get beat up like chicken. Thank you.
So friends, just now we are done with our beautiful, not beautiful, what is that? Sweet, delicious Dil Pasand. And now we are heading... Dil ko pasand aa gaya. Yes, and we are heading to Lepakshi now. Guys, technically we just crossed Karnataka border and we entered to Andhra Pradesh, Jagananna place.
Korea does not matter. So there are
Continue on
Korean
National Highway
restaurants.
544E for 14 kilometers.
Guys, we are about to enter Lepakshi area. I think we are how many kilometers? 16 minutes. Oh, 16 minutes and 16 kilometers. Woo!
Going 100 feet.
We are
reaching 16 feet.
16 minutes if we go in 100 kilometers speed. Hindupuram is also 29 kilometers, which is part of our destination.
Yeah, final destination.
Final destination is Hindupuram only because our Venki is getting married. We are just 5 minutes away to Lepakshi. You can see just 2 kilometers away. We have taken some wrong road. We went to some other place. Now we are going to right place in the right direction by following these maps. Google. Here. Slowly. There we can see the arch, right? There we need to take left. Finally, we came to Lepakshi
Hello?
temple. Huh?
क्या पीछे से क्या
There is a parking there. We'll be waiting, but we can go this way also.
इधर भी है पार्किंग.
हाँ.
पार्किंग है क्या?
Yeah.